Hello everyone, this is a 2021 Legend F17. It's an aluminum fishing boat. It comes actually fully loaded. These are soft mats. Of course they are removable. Storage. Here's the interior. There is a storage over here as well, so there is a rain cover or a docking cover in it. If you check another video, there is a video with the boat fully dressed. Here we go, more storage. This is a Mercury 4-stroke, 115 horsepower. The boat comes with lifetime warranty on a leak. Here's the battery, leather to get back from the water, or storage. Comes with a fish finder. It's the same storage, just a different access to it. And of course, here we go. It's equipped. It has everything you need. This is foldable, so it will take less room in your garage or on your driveway. Boat is registered. It's an Ontario boat. It has roughly in between 10 to 20 hours on it. That's all. If you're interested, please call, text or email. You'll find all the details in the video. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna try to put another video when I have it on the water. And you can contact us, please. Thank you.